Namaste everyone, this is Aditya Srivastav reviewing the movie Extraction. Because after watching the movie, I am compelled to do so. So Extraction is an American action thriller directed by Sam Hargrave and written by Joe Russo. Let me tell you about Sam Hargrave for a second. Sam Hargrave is an American stuntman and director. He has collaborated with Russo brothers and worked as a stunt coordinator in the MCU. Extraction is Hargrave's directional debut, and you guys already know who Russo brothers are. Now let's look at the strong aspects of the movie. The strongest is obviously the action sequences. Chris Hemsworth as Tyler really settles in his role and looks convincing, and man, he fights the same way. After him is the Indian movie star Randeep Hooda, starring as Saju Rao, a former para-SF commando, and he is also the henchman of O.V. Mahajan. Let me tell you something about him. He is a versatile actor and he has done all kinds of roles, but his potential as an action star has never properly been utilized until now. In Extraction, Sam Hargrave truly gave a fitting role to Randeep Hooda, and Randeep delivered well. Personally, at the climax, I was rooting for Saju more than Tyler. The close combat sequences of both hand-to-hand combat and firearms will remind you of Daredevil, Equilibrium, and John Wick. Pankaj Tripathi as O.V. Mahajan, a drug lord, has played his role so well in the little screen time he got. He is perfect and he makes that scene intense. The action team really paid attention to the details. You will notice in the movie that whenever Saju and Tyler shoot, they at least fire 2 to 3 bullets at a time to confirm the kill, something which a real mercenary would do, making sure the target is dead. There are no out-of-the-box moves or flying around. The action is grounded and neat. The action in this movie is as realistic as it can get, and it is not mindless action. You will care for the characters because the action is driven by motives and every party has its own interests. But what makes this movie lose the pace at times is the drama part. Apart from Saju Rao, connecting with other characters is not as easy. O.V. Jr. seems convincing, but his accent drags him down a bit. However, he makes up for it by his innocence and purity. It is reflected on his face. That is what makes his role believable and likable. The backstory of Tyler does not connect with audience as well, or at least it did not connect with me. He is in a perfect position. His wife is gone and his kid is dead. So he basically has nothing to lose except his life. And throughout the movie, we are reminded of his tragedy again and again and again, which is not necessary. His scenes with O.V. are beautiful and they connect with you at an emotional level. Another character I would like to point out is part played by Piyush as Amar Asif. He looks menacing, but his Bengali is not up to the mark. His frightening and chilling looks is somewhat tamed by weak dialogue delivery. But overall, his performance is really good. So, time for final verdict. This movie has what it was made for, and that is action. It is so engaging and intense that you won't even blink. I think this is the best action movie in 2020 so far. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. This is the first review from this channel, so be kind in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Namaste.